Embracing New Horizons, a journey beyond farewell. On behalf of Pearson School Kompally, I extend a special welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Students. This evening, we shall traverse a tapestry of memories, celebrating the camaraderie. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. This verse encapsulates the resilience and determination that our graduates have exhibited throughout their academic journey. As they stand on the precipice of new beginnings, let us celebrate their achievements and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. As we embark on this memorable journey today, let us embrace the spirit of unity and enthusiasm. May this event not only entertain and enlighten, but also inspire us to strive for greater heights. A warm welcome to you all once again. As we commence today's auspicious event, we begin with the traditional lighting of the lamp, a ritual that embodies the dispelling of darkness and the ushering in of knowledge and enlightenment. I invite our chief guest to come forward to do the honors. I also request our principal ma'am, Thank you all. Thank you all. symbolizing our collective prayers for wisdom, prosperity, and harmony. Please join me in welcoming our dancers to the stage.
Dim, the din, the dim, the din, the dim, the daga, the din, the dim, the din, the dim, the daga, the daga, the din, the dim, the ditta, timita, kita gatananga, the dimita, the digina tum, ditta, dimita. Daga tanang daga dimita daga digina tum ditta dimita dimita kita daga ditta dimita dimita kita daga ditta dimita dimita kita daga dadigina 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 daga
That was truly awesome. The great.
Currently, he is at TIFR Hyderabad as scientific officer. He supports research labs with design and development for electronics and future experimental scopes. His major projects are Indian National Gamma Array Project, which is India's largest gamma spectroscopy initiative. He has collaborated internationally with projects at Germany and France. expertise is in scintillator detector development and played various roles in software, PCB, and mechanical design. To throw a light on his achievements, he co-authored over 20 research publications. Sir won first prize at a district level science fair. This is a truly impressive career trajectory showcasing a blend of technical expertise, international collaboration, and impactful contributions to both research and defense technologies. A hearty welcome to you, Mr. Rajneesh. We are very glad for having you among us today. I request our principal, Dr. Asma Shahida, to welcome sir with a sapling and memento.
Determined and goal-oriented individual. Next, I call Aditi Sharma, adventurous Aditi, always eager to explore and learn new things. Next, I call Advika Bansal, affectionate Advika, radiates warmth and kindness. Now I call Archita Karunakaran, indigenous Archita, creative and imaginative in all she does. Now I call Taman, sharp-minded and insightful Taman.
ముందు తీసుకుందాం రాత్రి లైట్ అడిపోతుందప్ప వాళ్ళ మీద పడతా.
Next, I call Melanie Sneha, brilliant Melanie, shining bright with intelligence and enthusiasm.
ఓకే ఇందులో
Next, I call Sri Tejashwini, cheerful Tejashwini, spreading joy and positivity.
Keep cheering for your friends. You don't want to cheer them?
Next, I call Chintala Laharika, charming Laharika, wins hearts with grace and charisma. I call Devi Kirtika Reddy, diligent Kritika, hardworking and determined to achieve greatness. Dhriti boy, dynamic Dhriti, full of energy and enthusiasm. Yashashwini Hani, gracious Yashashwini Hani, exuding kindness and generosity. Hajiani Ryan, humble Ryan, grounded and kind-hearted. Gagana Geetanjali, affable Geetanjali, always cheerful and fun-loving. Kolonu Aryan, influential Aryan, eager to learn and excel.
Hey,
Reddy. Generous and kind Vishnu Tej. Mayuk Rao Gannamaneni. Mindful Mayuk, thoughtful and considerate of others. Naman Patnaik. Noble Naman, possessing great integrity and honor. Pullerla Suhas, passionate Suhas, pursuing goals with determination. Sai Kirtan Reddy, T. Archit Reddy, proactive Archit, always taking initiative. Rajveer Singh Rathore, resilient Rajveer, overcoming challenges with strength. Rakshit Bansal, radiant Rakshit, bright and full of life. Saket Gontula, smart Saket, quick-witted and intelligent. Shriya Kulkarni, serene Shriya, calm and peaceful in every situation. Siddhemu Ganga Arpita, sincere Arpita, honest and loyal. Sri Vaishnavi Shanigarupu, supportive Sri Vaishnavi, always there for others. Sudeshna M, empathetic Sudeshna, deeply caring and compassionate. Syed Talha Hussaini, persistent Talha, unwavering in his beliefs and goals.
Sir, ready.
Vamsi Krishna J, virtuous Vamsi, brave and courageous. Vanamali Hasita Manya, sparkling Manya, bringing joy to everyone around. Vasam Hasika, versatile Hasika, adaptable and talented in many ways.
ఓకేనా ముందు
Aryan Soni, ambitious Aryan, a determined and goal-oriented individual. Akidi Chaitrika Reddy, adventurous Akidi, always eager to explore new opportunities and challenges. Arali Hiteshri, artistic Arali, a creative mind with a talent for expression and beauty. Arman Karim Gilani, amiable Arman, a warm-hearted and friendly person who spreads positivity. Merlin Sahiti, brilliant Merlin, exceptionally talented with a sharp and innovative mind. Bandari Lohitesh Reddy, bold Bandari, never afraid to take risks and face challenges head-on. Batula Fani Tanmay, bright Tanmay, shines with intelligence and enthusiasm.
అదే సరే ఓకే
Danya, dazzling Danya, a personality who lights up every room. Falak Sayani. Friendly Falak easily connects with people and speaks kindness. Ganga Ratvik. Generous Ratvik, always willing to help and uplift others. Lakshmi Tanuja Sri. Gracious Lakshmi Tanuja carries herself with kindness and elegance. G. Hethan Reddy. Gifted Hethan, naturally talented and always excelling. Sai Aryan Gaud, jovial Aryan, full of life and spreads happiness everywhere. K. Achintya Verma, kind-hearted Achintya, always considerate and compassionate. Qasim, knowledgeable Qasim, a deep thinker with an insatiable curiosity of learning. Komalpreet Kaur, keen Komalpreet, sharp-minded and eager to explore new ideas. Lakani Samik Riaz, loyal Lakani, a trustworthy and devoted friend. Madhuju Sri Vaishnavi Karunya, magnificent and stands out with charm and brilliance. Mahati Sanku, meticulous and pays attention to detail and perfection in everything. Mamindla Anish, motivated, always striving for success and with dedication. Mohammad Zaiduddin, mindful, thoughtful, caring and considerate for others. Morissetti Mokshagna, methodical, plans wisely and works systematically. Magnetic Muskan draws people in with her warmth and positivity. Nishi Komalipati, noble Nishi, always acts with integrity and kindness. Passionate, brings energy and enthusiasm to every task. team shines with confidence and positivity. Be Ketana, perceptive, quick to understand and analyze the situations. Sagar Bhati, smart, quick thinking and intelligent in every situation. Siddhireddy Hasani, sincere, honest and genuine in words and actions.
నువ్వు లైట్ వెళ్ళిపోతా
Uppalanchi Tanishq, unique Uppalanchi, stands out with originality and creativity. Vedanshi Tanwar, vibrant, full of life, energy and enthusiasm. Aditya Soni, quick-witted and highly intelligent. Ambit Sai Krishna, adaptable, easily adjusts to any situation and excels. Arla Rakshita, affectionate, warm, loving and caring towards everyone. Arpit Lakhani, alert, always aware and quick to respond. P. Vaishnav Virat Reddy, brave, fearless in taking on challenges. P. Divyashree, brilliant, a natural talent with a sharp intellect. P. Anish Reddy, balanced, manages everything with patience and wisdom. P. Jaitra Vivek, bold, dares to dream big and take risks. D. Harini, determined, never gives up on her goals. Dhanlakshmi, dependable Dhana, always reliable and trustworthy. Disha Arora, dynamic Disha, full of energy and enthusiasm. Elham Rajani, eloquent, expresses thoughts and ideas beautifully. Gautam Pranav Reddy, genuine, true to himself and to others. G. Rushita, gentle, kind, soft-spoken and caring. always coming up with creative ideas. Ishanvi, inspiring Ishanvi, motivates and encourages those around her. Joyce brings happiness and excitement to every moment. K. Rishikesh Reddy, kind, caring and generous heart. Knowledgeable, always eager to learn and grow. Kaushik Darlipudi, keen-eyed, quick to notice details and others. Anshu Kulkarni, kindred Kulkarni, a perfect companion and a true friend. M. Rohan Gaut, mindful, thinks deeply and makes wise decisions. Always caring for others, nurturing others. Nidhi Keyur Bhavsar, noteworthy, stands out with exceptional qualities. Quick to learn and adapt. N. Sai Suhani, noble-hearted and always acts with fairness. Pulikanta Charitat, patient and calmly approaches challenges with wisdom. P. Rutvik, perseverant and never gives up in the face of obstacles. Ridra Kumar Pathak, resilient, strong and unshakable in adversity. Sara Manaswini, sophisticated, elegant and wise in thought and action. Supportive, always uplifting and encouraging others. Jakula Ananya, joyful, always cheerful and filled with a positive energy. Vinnakota Yashita, versatile, multi-talented and adapts to challenges. and loyal. Yella Ashrit Reddy, youthful, full of energy and fresh ideas. Inaya Siraj, inspiring, motivating others with her positivity. Last but not the least, Yuvan Shankar, yearning Yuvan, always eager to learn and achieve great things in life. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. I request our principal, ma'am, to come forward and share a few words with everyone.
On this special occasion, as we celebrate the achievements of our outgoing grade 10 students. This day is a testament to your hard work, perseverance and growth over the past years. Students, when you first walked into this school, you were full of curiosity, excitement, and maybe a little nervous about what the year ahead would bring. Over time, you have grown into young adults who have not only acquired knowledge, but also learned valuable life skills, resilience, critical thinking, teamwork, and leadership. You have navigated new challenges, formed lasting friendships, and discovered strengths you may not even have realized you had. While this is a day to celebrate your accomplishments, it's also a time to reflect. You are now on the verge of new and exciting opportunities. High school may seem far off, but what you have learned here will serve as the foundation for everything that comes next. Whether you choose to pursue academic excellence, vocational training, or anything in between, as you leave this chapter behind and step into the next one, remember that your teachers and the entire school community
So the act of collectively lighting candles can reflect the unity and shared memories among participants, highlighting the bonds formed during their time together. I request Principal Ma'am to pass on the empowering light to the students. Instilled in them by the institution, we now have the oath-taking ceremony. This ceremony represents our students' pledge to carry forward the ideals and values they have embraced during their time here, serving as ambassadors of our institution in their future endeavors.
We, the students of Pearson School, Kompally, take the solemn pledge wherever our life take us, we will use our knowledge, experience and skills to the best of our abilities for the well-being of our community and our country. We will conduct myself with honesty and integrity, taking responsibility for our actions. We will strive to better our communities through good citizenship, and active participation. We will be loyal ambassadors for our school, and we will seek to promote its welfare and maintain its reputation. In all our dealings, we will endeavor to be known as people of honor and repute, ever seeking to earn the peace of good conscience. All the very best.
First of all, give a big round of applause for yourself. This claps for you. I'm very happy to see you all. And first of all, I would like to thank the head principal ma'am for giving me this opportunity and my introduction. Very thankful for that. But this is the time, after seeing you people, I'm feeling like I want to go back to my 10th class again. Really, you are very lucky. You have such a nice environment you have right now. And give me just 10 minutes or 5 minutes, I will say, because these are the points never ever you will get anywhere in any book. Okay? Are you ready to listen? This is for you. This is for you, for your career, for your future. Because your friends and your teachers, everywhere you will get it. But the information what I am giving you, there is no link at all in your textbooks. There is no link at all in your any YouTubes. Why? Because I am telling such a links where you are going to find it. Okay? As my profession says, I am into a software, I am into a scientific background, I am into curriculum, and I am into a extracurricular activities. All I will touch it in a 5 minutes so that you will get an idea, okay, this kind way also we can have a career. So in that way, I won't give you a 5 minutes of your future goals. But I'm not saying that you do this, but I will say that you find out whether what is there in that line. Okay? Now this is the question mark, big question mark. You will have your exams over. What is next? Right? Everybody, parents, relatives, everyone will ask, what is next? What is next? Wherever you go, this question will come to you, what is next? But never ever worry about anything. Just be relaxed. What you have studied, that is enough for you to understand. So this is what the basic schooling you are completed now. Now, dear friends, you are entering into a different era. So this is all what question answers, lesson wise reading, all these things now it is over. Now we are listening about AI/ML, right? And we are listening about the software industries, and we are listening about the scientific domain, and we are listening about nowadays new passionate quantum. So quantum computing, something we are seeing, right? So what is that? I'll give you a brief so that you will understand where we have to study actually. What makes you to think big. Okay? In the Hollywood movies we saw, right? The pictures will come, images, they will follow in the air. In the air itself they'll rotate the pictures. So that kind of screen we have not seen anywhere till now, right? So that is where after 2030 you are going to see such a screens in your home. This is the new thing you are listening from me. You won't believe, after 2030 you are going to see that screens in our home. How it is possible means, there is a possibility that in 2023 we got a Nobel Prize for some beautiful work where is a quantum computing, quantum sensors, quantum communication is going to come. So because of that, these are all possibilities, but I'll not scare you to study only the science, but how to reach different goals. What is a software? Software is nothing but to work something, you are writing some program, right? So for that, you are reading a Java or .NET or a C, C++, these are all I will call it as a language. So just like how we are communicating now in English, if I talk in a Marathi or some other language, you can't understand. The same way, the software is nothing but a language for you to understand different things. Now you decide where you want to go. Okay? Different domains are there, different languages are there. So always better to learn different languages that we are listening from the childhood. The same way after 10th class, how many languages you know? Languages in the sense here, the software, Java, .NET, whatever is there. If you know many languages, you will have a more different exposure in the career. That is the one thing. And coming to the science background, what we are listening, Big Bang theories in the worldwide, how this universe is formed. Recently what we saw, 2 days back, Sunita Williams came back from the space. So the space means again there is a different radiation is she exposed. How it is working we don't know. That is what each and every cell how it is working we want to know. Okay, in our body is made up of different atoms. So each and every atom how it is working, if we know everything about our body. If I know my body full atom scanned, then I can separate my nerve system, I can separate my muscles, I can separate my everything, each and every part. Nowadays, the olden days doctor, medicines is gone. Why? Because those days what happens, we have to remember each and everything about each and every part. But are you people now remembering many things? Just you are watching in the Google how my heart is working. I hope every one of you saw that videos of your lectures, right? Whatever school curriculum lessons are there, that everything is available in the YouTube. That is the beauty of the technology. You have everything in the YouTube, but only the thing is nowadays prompt engineering is required. What is that? Prompt engineering. Why? What is this prompt engineering means? You should know what you want. That is called a prompt engineer. That means if you know how to ask to the computer, how to ask to the Google, how to ask to the Gchat, whatever, how to ask to your latest technology, it will give complete code. It will give complete response. But you should know exactly what you want. For that sake, what you need a basic understanding. So, my dear friends, whatever subject you are choosing, just concentrate on that and get an excellence in that. Like always MPC, BPC is not the only subjects we have. So whatever maybe we are invented, to market that we need a MBA students, right? If I designed something, if I am keeping a good achievement of something I designed, if I am not selling to the world, if I am not showing to the world, there is no use of that. So in the same way, each and every domain has its specific importance. So don't worry about others. What others are doing, never worry in the world, in the lifetime. Just concentrate what I am doing, and everybody will say, you are spending lot of time on mobile. I will say, spending time in a mobile is very good, but what content you are watching, that is the very important. So nowadays, how Reliance will say, Karlo Duniya Mutti Mein, this word they gave long back, but that is absolutely right. You have everything in the mobile, everything in the internet, but only the thing is prompt engineering is required. You should know what you need exactly. So coming to after immediately last 1 minute I will take. So whatever questions you have, if you have something in future, I'll give my email ID. One email ID specially I made for the students, wherever they will ask question, if I know, I'll give direct answer. If I don't know, I will find out and I'll let you know. Like, sir, I got a seat in IIT, whether shall I join here or there? Or this curriculum, if I select, what is going to happen? This kind of counseling is required nowadays. Not only to you, even many parents need that information, because whether my child is going in a right way or not. So feel free to write the email. I will drop my email ID to teachers. Okay? If you remember, that is good. That is a RD Pulse 1. Pulse means the heartbeat pulse always will be beat for you students. So I made this for you, rdpulse1@gmail. You can write to me, you can ask me anytime. So and so I have finished, so and so I am doing. So just refer your school name, I am there for you. Thank you, all the very best. Once again, give a big round of applause for yourself. It's a time to celebrate, and not only studies. One more point I want to say, wherever you are, never forget the extracurricular activities. Okay? Wherever you are, either sports, dance, cultures, or family functions, you should never miss it. They all are called as a extra. That means you should not forget your curriculum first. These are all are extra you are to do, extra time you are spending, and once you finish your syllabus, then you can do the extra things. So always it is a good thing to do extra things, because your mind will refresh and you can give a more encouragement to your mind. Always try to give your more inputs to your 5 things, that is eyes, nose, ears and mouth, and your skin. Always give a new things to these 5 sense organs. Why? Because if you don't give a new things, they will never try to do better things. If you are giving a regular job, they will do the regular job and they'll stop thinking. So always give a new points. Every day night, before sleeping, just one point you think, what I learned today, new point. Either maybe from news or from science background, social background, from your family background, anywhere. You should know something new to your body. You are going to give something new to your brain. If you are successful, you are giving something new to your day, means that day is successful. So like you listen something, like today Sunita Williams came back, and that news you given to your brain. That means you are activating your brain in a new things to work. So in that way, my suggestion is daily before sleeping, 5 minutes give yourself what my body did and what new inputs I gave to my body. Then in that way, your body will always activate you. All the very best. Do well wherever you are. Thank you for calling me here. Enjoy your day.
Thank you so much, sir. It was very insightful. Each and every word you spoke is worth remembering and implementing. Yes, dear children. So give sir a big round of applause for all the inputs he has given to you now. Thank you once again, sir. I would like to call upon our school head boy, Master Pawan, to speak about his memories during his school days in Pearson.
Thank you. Good evening, esteemed chief guest, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my friends. At last, we have arrived to the end of our school lives, the valedictory ceremony. It feels surreal and seems like just yesterday we were nervous kids walking towards Pearson School. And now here we are, looking back on years that have shaped us. Time flew away really fast. Being head boy of this school has been an incredible honor. It wasn't just about wearing the badge. It was about growing, learning and embracing the journey. Honestly, I think I and my cabinet have covered the school more than a marathon runner. Every step brought me closer to the moments and memories that I'll carry forever. When I first joined Pearson in 2015, I was just like any other kid, not knowing what lay ahead. Over time, this school became my second home. The lessons here weren't just the theories and formulae, they were the lessons about life. From the chaos of the annual day rehearsals to the excitement of school trips, every moment added something special to my journey. And then, there are my friends. They're not just friends, they're my family. We've laughed so hard without the teacher noticing. We had unforgettable memories with each other. And our teachers, they've been our mentors and occasional lifesavers. Whether it was, "Ma'am, I forgot my project at home. Can I give it to you tomorrow?" Or, "Sir, our hands are paining. Can we write a bit later?" We have tested their patience a lot, but they have always been by our side. My leadership journey began in 8th class. It was a roller coaster ride. I ran for vice captain of Sapphire House, but unfortunately I lost. That taught me persistence. In the next year, in 9th class, I became the captain of Sapphire House, and the pride of lifting the annual sports day trophy was unmatched. I didn't only feel sad watching one of my friend not getting a chance to lift the trophy, but I literally had tears in my eyes. That moment taught me the value of true friendship. And then in 10th grade, I contested as the head boy. Waiting for the results felt like forever. When I heard my name announced, I didn't walk to the stage. I ran just like Kohli runs when he's about to hit the century. That joy and pride were unforgettable. It is hard to believe everything has gone so quickly. Pearson gave us knowledge, memories, values, and the bonding that will last a lifetime. I thank my teachers for inspiring us. I thank my friends for making my school life unforgettable. I'm leaving the school with a heart full of gratitude. Pearson will always have a special place in my heart. I'm signing off for the last time, thanking everyone who had been a part of this incredible journey. Thank you.
So I welcome Mrs. Lakshmi Bhavani to come forward.
You want me to speak? Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Remember? Yes, thank you. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and yes, you can travel one you could. Yes, you can travel one you could. Good evening, children and my dear students. As you stand here on the threshold of a new journey, I just want to take a moment to tell you one thing. Life is not the same as your school days. It's not as your school days. It will show you the true colors of the society, and it will show you the correct and real challenges in your life. So please learn to be honest, self-disciplined, and be very, very good person whom everyone can rely on.
तारे मेरे साथ है तो क्या हम उनसे कम है? हमारे पास तारों की बारात है। मैं संगीता पांडे, हिंदी अध्यापिका, आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य, यहाँ पे उपस्थित शिक्षकगण, अभिभावकगण और मेरे प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, आप सभी को सप्रेम नमस्कार। आज हम इस विदाई समारोह में उपस्थित हुए हैं। आज हमारे लिए दुख और गम दोनों का मिश्रण है। दुख इस बात का है कि 10 सालों से 12 सालों से जिन बच्चों को हमने प्यार से पढ़ाया, मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि प्यार से तो हमने पढ़ाया, बट कभी कभी हमने डांटा भी। बस वो डांट में भी प्यार था, आपसे लगाव था। आपको पता है हम डांटते उसी को हैं जिससे प्रेम होता है, जिसके बारे में हम अच्छा सोचते हैं। बहुत ऐसा बार हुआ जब आपको हमने डांटा, लेकिन उस डांट पे मत जाइए, उसमें बहुत प्यार छुपा था, स्नेह छुपा था। आप आए, आपसे हमारी भावनाएं जुड़ी। एक वो दिन था जब आप अपने माता पिता के साथ आए, उनकी उंगली पकड़कर। आप हमें पहचानते भी नहीं थे, हमें जानते भी नहीं थे, हम भी आपको नहीं जानते थे, लेकिन इन 10 सालों में आपसे इतनी सारी भावनाएं जुड़ गई, जो आज हम कैसे विदा कर रहे हैं आपको, वो हमारा मन जानता होगा और शायद आपके आंखों में भी आंसू होगा। इन 10 सालों में, 12 सालों में एक एक पल, ज्यादा से ज्यादा समय आप लोगों ने माता पिता से भी ज्यादा समय हमारे साथ बिताया, और आपकी हर बच्चों में एक अलग अलग गुण है, अलग अलग क्वालिटी है। मैं यही बोलूँगी, आप अपने क्वालिटी को, अपने गुण को पहचानिए। आप में बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे गुण हैं, आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो, हमने देखा है आपको, आप खुद को पहचानिए। तो लेकिन आप, हमने बोल दिया कि दुख है, आप जा रहे हो, लेकिन खुशी भी है, इसलिए कि हमारे बच्चे अपने उज्जवल भविष्य के सपनों को साकार करने जा रहे हैं। अपने सपने को पूरा करने जा रहे हैं। उनके माता पिता ने आज तक जो उनके लिए प्रयास किया है, हमने जो प्रयास किया है, माता पिता ने जो उन्होंने जो सपने देखा था, अब उन सपनों को पूरा करने का समय आया है। मैं यही बोलूँगी कि आप जाइए और अपने उज्जवल भविष्य को साकार कीजिए। आपको पता है हर चीज़ हो सकता है, बस हमारे अंदर लगन और क्षमता होनी चाहिए। आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो, आप करके देखिए। आपने देखा 2 दिन पहले सुनीता विलियम कितनी बड़ी उदाहरण है, कितनी बड़ी उदाहरण है। आप सीखिए इन अच्छे लोगों से और एक दिन सफल बनिए। आपके माँ बाप ने जो आपके ऊपर आशाएं लगाई है, उन आशाओं को पूरा कीजिए और उनके सपनों को पूरा कीजिए और अपने भविष्य को उज्जवल बनाइए। मैं यही कामना करती हूँ। और आप दूर जा रहे हो, इस बात का दुख तो हमेशा रहेगा, आप हमेशा हमारे मन में रहोगे और आपकी उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करते हुए मैं अपनी बातों को समाप्त करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Sangeeta ma'am and Lakshmi ma'am, for your words towards your students. You all felt happy listening to what they spoke about you? I can't see that response then. All together? Why silence? As we have come to the end of the valedictory ceremony, I would like to thank the entire organizing team, each one of you who have put in efforts and execution in successfully conducting this valedictory ceremony, which will cherish in the hearts of all the dear students here, as well as the grade 10 teaching staff and all the teachers who are part of this valedictory ceremony. So once again, all the best to all of you, and it's time for your enjoyment. So one group photo we will have with all your teachers as well.